to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I am.
The fact that it's still going. No man, like no, I deserve better than go, guys. I mean, look at today. No devil can try me. So today we're doing the interview with ABSA. A little backstory. So last year I won 20,000 rands worth of business development funding from ABSA. And sorry guys, I'm just trying to get as much light as possible. Okay, no, this one doesn't help. Okay, so yeah, last year I won 20,000 rands worth of business funding from ABSA, and I went through the training. We had a 1 week training. I think I did post this on my social media. It was a very transformational 1 week, guys. 1 week, you know, like I thought I knew my, but Chanel made me realize I have so much work to do as a business owner, and I'm happy to actually engage and do the work. I'm already starting to see the results from the work that I learned and the work we've been doing for the past 2 months. So as an alumni, I'm invited to this year's business luncheon, which is going to be on the 30th, I think, of October. And also one of the things they're doing is that they're doing interviews of the alumni, and so today is the day for the interview, which is why I have makeup on. So this is like, I think exactly an hour before the interview. I'm in the car park. I don't even think I'm nervous. I am just in awe of the work of God, of the work that I've been able to put in for my business, and just how far I've come as a business owner and building Optometry. So oh guys, I could scream. I actually am so excited. I can't wait to share my journey and my experience. And yeah, I want to take you guys with me behind the scenes, and yeah, let's go do this. Let's go live our dream. This is my outfit for dinner. So I went and got this done. Foundation. But anyways, guys, this is the important thing, right? Now, so I'm gonna wear with these pants now. And then I have to decide between 2 shoes. So this is option 1. And then these, option 2. Which one, Mufund?
The heels.
The heels now?
Yeah.
I'm going with this and this and the pants.
Yeah.
Okay, long leg. You pass on your coats for content later on. And Shane, I got a makeup bag. That's what you call it. Okay, let me change my guys since I'm on.
Toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a man, treat you like a queen, always gonna put God first. Don't return to your past, I know it hurt. Last time they put you on a shirt. Glory to God that now you're living. Don't go back, it might be worse. Beautiful to be treated like that. Don't rush it, put it on pause. Let God satisfy your thirst. He don't pray at all. You know that ain't gonna work. Yahweh died for you, sweetheart. It's better that you deserve.
Okay, so no, ornaments fish and
Okay.
yeah.
This feels like my camera security. Okay, so you can I can just place it and move it, doesn't matter. Okay.
Since you will apply it now.
Will I pay?
My security looks off.
Eh,
It's not the same family though. It works totally different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought Benen's about to in the same group as me. It's going to be such a long answer. Okay.
No, it's fine. You
Okay.
can stop pumule if you feel
Okay.
pumule. It's okay. It's absolutely fine.
Alright, cool. Okay guys, in closing usually there's no day without optometry. So we are back to work. So we've got frames and some things. I brought my business plan manual. We've got some stock that just got in. And yeah, back to default settings, guys. Back to default settings. It's fine. I'm afraid my cartoon and video.
I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm. Seen a lot of love, I seen a lot of war. Took a lot of losses, then I took some more. Even through it all, I know you fighting for me. Throughout my lowest days, when I was losing faith, through all the tears and pain, still though I wouldn't trade. None of it wasn't it all, making me something better than what I've been. And I want it, I'm loving it, let's run it, I'm saying. When I'm low, still I know that I'm not.